friends, this is SM-TechnoGenuine. Today I'm going to show you how to download and play PSP games on your Samsung Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus. So what you need is your OTG cable so that you can connect your joystick, PS4 or Xbox directly to your phone or anything equivalent to that. So all you got to do is to jump to Play Store, and then just give me a moment here. So from here, what you have to do is to press on search engine and type PSP. Press enter. Then you should see this blue icon right there. Press install. Once that is done, press open. Now to download the games, the link is going to be on the description below to download the specific games like Tekken, Cars 2, and Ratatouille, or if you want any other games, the link is going to be on the description below. Once you have downloaded the games directly from your phone, so from here what you have to do is to allow the permission. So press give PSP permission, press allow. Then from here press on games. Then scroll down and find the games which you have downloaded directly from your phone. So as you can see, there's a Cars 2 game here, so Cars 2 and Tekken 6. So let me just play that using my joystick. So just give me a moment here. Then I'm gonna play Cars first off. Well, it seems that my joypad isn't working on my S8, so I'm just gonna quickly configure settings and then come back right at you.
Adoro gareggiare! Ora qui!
Well, that escalated very quickly. Let's try Tekken 6.
A few moments later.